Hi, welcome to Srimata Education. Dear students, we are continuing the most expected questions for the SLC students. In this video, I am trying to complete the most expected MCQs from the Part 1 Social Science textbook. See, already I completed 4 lessons in my previous videos. You can go to my channel Srimata Education and check it in the playlist. You can see the 4 videos, the 4 lessons in very short period. So in this video, I will discuss 41 questions. See, question number 1. Atmiya Sabha was started by. The right answer, Rajaram Mohan Rai. So other options we will discuss. Dayananda Saraswati started the Arya Samaj. Jyotiba Phule founded Satyashodhaka Samaj. Swami Vivekananda founded the Ramakrishna Mission. Next question. William Bentinck brought a law prohibiting sati in the year. In which year sati system was prohibited by Governor General William Bentinck? Right answer, 1829. 1829 is the right answer. And 1765, the dual government was introduced in the Bengal by Robert Clive. In 1498, Vasco da Gama reached India through from the sea route. Next question. Rajaram Mohan Rai published a journal name called. Which journal published by the Rajaram Mohan Rai? Right answer, option C, Samvada Kaumudi. Samvada Kaumudi in Bengali language he wrote. And the other options, Satyartha Prakasha was published by the Dayananda Saraswati in Hindi language. Gulam Giri was published by Jyotiba Phule. Commonweal, Annie Besant. Commonweal published by the Annie Besant. Next question. Back to Vedas declared by who? Given a statement, back to Vedas. Right answer, Dayananda Saraswati said back to Vedas. Why? Vedas are the real knowledge. Vedas are the real knowledge. That's why he said back to Vedas. See other options. Balagangadhar Tilak given a statement, Swaraj is my birthright, I shall have it. Subhash Chandra Bose, he said, give me your blood, I will give you freedom. Mahatma Gandhiji, at the time of Quit India movement, he said, do or die statement. Next question. Swami Vivekananda founded Ramakrishna Mission because to spread his guru teachings or thoughts, ideas of his guru means Ramakrishna Paramahamsa is the guru of the Swami Vivekananda. To spread his guru's ideas and thoughts, he founded the Ramakrishna Mission. Next question. Annie Besant called Shweta Saraswati because she translated Bhagavad Gita into English. Right answer, option C, she translated Bhagavad Gita into English language. Next question. Vaikam movement was started by Narayana Guru. Narayana Guru started the Vaikam movement. See, Periyar he started the non-Brahmin movement. Syed Ahmad Khan started the Aligarh movement. Question. The first woman president for Indian National Congress. Right answer, Annie Besant. Annie Besant was the first woman president for the Indian National Congress. Medha Patkar, she was the leader of the Narmada Bachao. Next question. British historians termed 1857 revolt as British historians. What they given a name for the 1857 revolt? The right answer, Sepoy Mutiny. Sepoy Mutiny. The Britishers termed the 1857 revolt as a Sepoy Mutiny. Next question. Inam means gifted land. Next one. 1857 revolt leader of Kanpur. The Kanpur leader in the times of 1857. Right answer, Nana Sahib. Nana Sahib is the Kanpur leader. Rani Lakshmi Bai, she was the leader of the Jhansi kingdom. Mangal Pandey is a person for the immediate cause in the Barakpura. And Begum Hazrat Mahal, she was the leader of Uttar Pradesh, Lucknow. leader in the Lucknow at the time of 1857 revolt. Population and increased technology considered reason for population and increased technology reason for unemployment. The unemployment main reason population and increased technology. Next question. Lokpal and Lokayukta started to control the corruption. Lokpal and Lokayukta, two institutions also started to curb the corruption. Next one. Karnataka accorded special status by adding Article 371J. Right answer 371J. Other option C. Article 17 says practice of untouchability is crime. 21A it says right to education. Option C 19 right to freedom. Next question. Women Commission established to address the various problems of or various issues of the women. Option B right answer address various women issues. Next question. India and China signed Panchashila principles in the year 1954. The Panchashila principles signed by the China and India. Chow Enlai and Jawaharlal Nehru were the leaders. In 1905, Bengal division took place. In 1950, Indian Constitution came into force. Okay. Next one. The Prime Minister tried to reform Indian foreign policy and strengthen the relation with Pakistan. Who planned to strengthen India and Pakistan relation? Atal Bihari Vajpayee. Next question. The amendment added Article 21A. Which amendment added the article number 21A? Amendment means changes of the constitution. Our constitutional till now more than 120 times changed. So 21A article joined at the amendment of 86th. Option A right answer 86th amendment. You can see another option 73rd amendment. It is a universal Panchayat Raj system. 73rd. 42nd amendment secular and socialist words joined to the constitution. Secular and socialist words joined to constitution. 42nd amendment. 44th amendment abolition of the right to property. Next 19th question. Dash called African Gandhi. Nelson Mandela called as a African Gandhi. Next question. Untouchability is heinous expression of caste system set. Untouchability is heinous expression of the caste system. Who said? Mahatma Gandhiji. Babu Rajendra Prasad, he was the first president of our India. Next question. Payment of Gratuity Act implemented in the year 1971. The highest peak in India. Mount Everest, K2, Anamudi, Guru Shikhar or Armakonda. See right answer. Highest peak in India, K2. K2 is the highest peak in India. Mount Everest is the highest peak in the world. Anamudi is the highest peak in the South India. Guru Shikhar is the highest peak in Aravali Hills. Armakonda is highest peak in Eastern Ghats. Next question. Largest and oldest landmass of our India. Physical features. See, Peninsular Plateau is the oldest and also largest landmass of our India. 24th question. Lowest temperature recorded in India. Answer Dras. Near to the Kargil in Jammu and Kashmir. Dras is the right answer. Ruili is the lowest rainfall in India. Mawsynram highest rainfall in India. Ganganagar highest temperature in India, recorded in India? 25th question. Reason for the retreating monsoon. The answer is the low pressure area created in the Bay of Bengal. It causes the retreating monsoon. Black soil formed from basalt rocks. Basalt rocks. B. Granite. The red soil formed through from the granite. The river brought down soil is alluvial soil. High temperature and high rainfall, laterite soil. Laterite soil. The state which has largest forest area. Madhya Pradesh having the largest forest area. Option A is the right. Goa is the least forest area in India. Least forest area in our India. The first national park in our India. Jim Corbett. Jim Corbett is the first national park in our India. See another one, Gir. Gir is in Gir National Park in Gujarat. It is famous for the Gir lions. And also Kaziranga and Bannerghatta. So Bannerghatta is in our Karnataka. Stilt-like roots found in dash forest. Stilt-like. Mangrove forest. Right answer is the mangrove forest. Ganga river rises at the birthplace of the Ganga river. Gangotri is the right answer. Gangotri is the birthplace for Ganga. Mount Kailash is the birthplace, rising point of the Indus river. Mahabaleshwar is the birthplace or origin place of Krishna river. Trayambak, Godavari river. Trayambak is the Godavari's birthplace. 31. Highest multi-river valley project in India. Bakra Nangal. The right answer, Bakra Nangal is the highest multi-river valley project in India. Hirakud is longest multi-river valley project. Kosi. Kosi is the project between two countries, Nepal and India. Upper Krishna is Karnataka's one of the largest irrigation project. Rihand Valley Reservoir is called. The reservoir name of the Rihand. Gobinda Ballabha Pant Sagar. Right answer, Gobinda Ballabha Pant Sagar. Pampasagar is Tungabhadra Dam. Gobinda Sagar is Bakra Nangal multi-river valley project. Gobinda Sagar reservoir is Bakra Nangal. Next, the main crop of Rabi season. Main crop of Rabi season is wheat. Wheat is the main crop of the Rabi. Paddy is main crop of Kharif season. 34th question. Cultivation of crops and livestock rearing is called mixed farming. Option B, right answer is there, mixed farming. And also commercial farming means the purpose of the money, purpose of the cash to earn the money, we are doing the farming, that is called commercial farming. Dry farming means the low rainfall areas, the farming done in the low rainfall areas. Next question. Classifies as a high, medium, low income countries by. The right answer, World Bank. World Bank will give the classifies high and medium, low developed or income countries. 36th question. Value of goods and services of a country for a 1 year is called national income. National income. That national income divided by population, it comes per capita income. HDI means Human Development Index. Next, India's HDI rank in the 2012. India's HDI rank in 2012. 136th rank. Next, according to the 2011 census, the sex ratio of India 943 according to the new textbooks. Women's self-help groups helpful to the women as financially independent. The women can become the financially independent through from the women's self-help groups. Next question. The bank Banque word derived from BANQE. The banque word derived from French word. French word. The Ramesh want to buy one car. Which account he want to open? Recurring account. Recurring account want to open to purchase the valuable goods for the future. Saving account is useful for the salary holders, students and pensioners. Current account is useful for the business holders. Business